friend, and welcome back to my channel. I just got new Flexirods. These are the Flexirods, and I've never used them before. These are super big, juicy, so I've never used these before, and I'm just feeling like I don't know what I'm doing right now, and I don't know why I feel like that, but I'm like, I didn't think I would need a lot of rollers because the bigger the roller, the less rollers are gonna fit. I'm just kind of confused, but anyway, I got 3 in the back. And it already feels like I got too many rollers in my head. You know what I mean? Like I just get that feeling. Because it's just so big, you know? No? Okay, anyway. We're going to continue. Because I want these to be bigger curls. So I'm trying to decide, should I make small parts? But then if I make small parts, and these are big, it's going to be too many of these. So then I'm like, okay, well I got to make big parts. But I don't know how that's going to turn out. But anyway, we're making big parts. Can't do that much hair. Maybe this much. That's not enough. This really is what's going on in my mind when I'm trying to do rod sets. Like, I kind of got the other ones down pat only because I did them so much, like the smaller ones. But when I'm doing anything bigger, I am so confusion. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna be using this. This is the Most Def, Most Def foam. Texture foam. So we're gonna be using this. This is a good foam. I like it. It's cool. It comes out like real foam or whatever. You just want to put that on your hair. Oh, it smells so good. It do smell good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It smells good. I'm kind of tired. It's like 9 o'clock, like 9 p.m. I wanted to sleep in them, so I was like, I don't really want to have them in too early, you know, because I didn't want to have them in my head too long. That's just where we are right now, friend. Put some more on your ends, just like that right here. Then all you want to do is roll from the bottom. Once you secure that bottom one just like that, so once you do that, y'all, you good to go. Like, you just, all you gotta do is just wrap. Okay, well, like, you gotta make sure it's tight, and all you gotta do is just wrap. Make sure that's nice and tight. And then what I like to do, sometimes I'll add some more product to my hand, you know, just to make sure that end is like perfectly smooth, and then just kind of do this motion, you know, just to make sure it's extra smooth on those ends. And then pull tight and roll up. And then when you get to the root, you can just do a nice twist or so, and then secure that thing just like that, and then secure the other side. Pound, pound. And then you got a nice smooth application of the rod, you know? So just do like, I don't know how many of those. So I'm just gonna keep doing this all over. I'm honestly only using this the Most Def. I did blow out my hair, but I blew my hair out like a week now, and I've just been wearing it in like a low bun because that's all I really blew it out for. I just wanted a low bun or whatever. But now I'm like, okay, I want to be a little cute, you know? So I'm just throwing some rollers in it. So I'm just taking my diamond brush and just detangling, going in with some mousse. My hand's already sticky. That's because there's some good mousse. Booyah. Take my brush, brush that out, hold the ends, take the rod, and just roll it around the rod first. Like, y'all really gotta do these steps, and I promise you'll get a perfect rod set. I bet so many of y'all be like, girl, I just can't do it, and they just don't come out right. But you gotta do it nice and tight. And like I said, you see how this is already like coming up? Don't just let that stay like that, sir. You can't let that stay like that. When that do that, all you gotta do, get you some more foam, take more product on the end, and then just wrap it. And then just reinforce that just like that, and continue to roll up till you get to the top, and then bend and bend. All right, so I'm gonna just keep doing this over and over and over, friend. I'm sure you got it by now. And then when we're done, I'll let y'all know. All right. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, and honestly, I don't know why I always do this to myself because I hate Flexirods. I hate sleeping in them. But I took one down. It's still kind of wet, like right up in here, but I still want to take them out. I'm at that point. I just want to take them out. So they're coming out. And I'm gonna sit under the dryer after I take them out. So I want to take them out very, very slow. I'm not saying they're completely wet because like some of them are truly dry, I'm sure. But I want to go ahead and take them out and then sit under the dryer. But these are some cute curls. They big tip. All right, y'all, so this is what we're looking like right now. It's not really looking too promising, honestly. It's really not. But after I separate, we're gonna see. Honestly, it feels pretty dry. Yeah, it feels pretty dry, so I guess I can start separating. Okay, okay, we're getting somewhere. And I like it. I like where we're going with this. This is nice and like soft and fluffy, but curly. I think I like it. I mean, I think I really like it. So these are my first time trying these, y'all, the bigger ones. And you know, I'm used to the smaller ones, so I wanted to see what it looked like, a little different, a little change, switch it up a little bit. You know, just to see how it would look with just the blowout done, and I'm kind of feeling it. Now, some pieces were small, some pieces were big. I think I prefer the bigger pieces. Like when I rolled them in bigger pieces, I feel like the curls are coming out better if I rolled like a lot of hair at once. This is the final look. Ooh, it looks so pretty. I kept the white robe on so that I can show y'all what like the ends look like, so y'all can see what the ends look like. But I really like it. I just really separated them really, really good. Now this side is falling because I had it in like a bun while I was taking out this side. I just took this side out, and whoo, come on, come through. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so fluffy. Let me show y'all the back, because y'all say I don't ever show you the back. I'm gonna show you back, sis. Okay. Here's the back. Okay. All I used was the Doe Most Death Texture Foam. Only product I used. I didn't have any other product on my hair. Of course, when you're blow drying your hair, like put whatever you use to blow dry your hair. But yeah, it feels like it's gonna hold because this has like a bit of a crisp to it. Like when I was separating, I could tell that, you know, these are pretty hard. Not too hard, but they're, you know, they're there. Like the curl is there. That curl ain't just, you can't just do like this and the whole curl gonna be gone. So girl, I'm loving it. It's cute. I haven't gotten cute in so long, y'all. I've been in like a very place in my life, and this has just brought my spirits up a little bit. You know, y'all know I like to get cute sometimes. But anyway, I hope y'all like this video. I really wasn't planning on filming. I was just gonna do my hair in the mirror and I wasn't gonna show y'all, but I'm so happy that I got a chance to show y'all because I feel like y'all was gonna ask me how I did it anyways. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.